Airports are full of secrets no one tells you about. And if you don't know them, you're wasting time, losing money, and making your travel day harder than it needs to be. I've spent years flying in and out of airports all over the world. Early mornings, red eyes, delays, missed connections. Somewhere along the way, I started noticing patterns, the little things frequent travelers do differently that almost no one else catches. Today, I'm breaking all of it down, because if you keep doing airports the way most people do, you'll keep dealing with long lines, bad seats, and travel days that feel way longer than they should. Secret number 1, stop being gate lice. Let's start at the gate. We've all seen gate lice, travelers crowding the boarding area long before their group is called. Here's why you should never be one of them. It's not just an etiquette problem. It physically blocks boarding lanes for passengers with mobility issues and families with strollers. Airlines have a name for it because it slows everything down. And here's the thing, your seat is assigned. You gain absolutely nothing by standing there. The smarter move is to sit at the adjacent gate, close enough to hear announcements, far enough to skip the chaos. Flight attendants recommend it. If you're worried about bin space, pack lighter. Staying relaxed beats standing in a crowd every time. Secret number 2, best seat if you get airsick. If turbulence makes you queasy, there's a sweet spot on every plane, the window seat over the wings. That's where the center of gravity provides the smoothest ride. The back of the plane bounces more, and aisle seats rob you of a horizon to focus on. A window seat lets you look out and orient yourself, which calms nausea almost immediately. I learned this after a brutal crossing where my stomach staged a full revolt in row 28. Now I always pay to sit near the wings. Bring ginger candies, stay hydrated, and eat light. Flight attendants swear by all 3. Secret number 3, the dirtiest surfaces on your plane. Here's a germ secret that'll change how you settle in. Tray tables, seat pockets, and airplane windows are some of the dirtiest surfaces you will ever touch. Planes get a quick trash pickup between flights, not a deep clean. Bacteria, including staph and E. coli traces, have been found on these surfaces. Never lean your head directly on the window. If you rub your eyes afterward, you're introducing those germs straight in. Bring disinfectant wipes and clean your tray table, armrests, and window area before you get comfortable. And never reach into the seat pocket. That's where dirty diapers and old snack wrappers live. Crew will tell you this privately every time. Secret number 4, breeze through security. If you're the person sprinting through the TSA line arguing with agents, you're doing it wrong. Being calm and prepared is what gets you through faster. Liquids in a clear bag, electronics accessible, shoes that slide off quickly. Don't try to sneak oversized liquids. Don't joke about security threats. Staff hear it all day and it delays everyone behind you. One crew member told me she watches people panic, chug their water bottle, then realize they packed full-size lotion. If you fly regularly, invest in TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. Shorter lines, shoes stay on, and your stress level drops significantly. Secret number 5, keep your seatbelt on. This one could save your life. Keep your seatbelt loosely fastened even when the sign is off. Clear air turbulence, the kind pilots cannot see or predict, is increasing. Research shows severe turbulence over the North Atlantic jumped 55% between 1979 and 2020. From 2009 to 2024, the FAA recorded over 200 serious injuries from unexpected turbulence alone. Flight attendants get hurt because they're up serving drinks. You can stay strapped in. I've watched a coffee cart launch into the air during a surprise jolt and soak everyone in row 10. Keep the belt on. It costs you nothing. Everything we've covered so far, that's just the surface. What's coming next is where frequent travelers start playing a completely different game. The stuff you only notice after dozens, sometimes hundreds of flights. Secret number 6, skip the coffee, tea, and ice. Those free cups of coffee and tea brewed on board, made with water from the plane's holding tanks. A multi-year study analyzing over 35,000 samples of water across 21 airlines found contamination indicators, including coliform bacteria and occasional E. coli violations. Many flight attendants refuse to drink it themselves. The fix is simple. Bring an empty bottle through security, fill it at a filtered terminal water station, and skip the in-flight coffee unless it comes in a sealed can. Same rule applies to ice. It's made from the same tank water. Secret number 7, the check-in chicken trap.
There's a TikTok trend called check-in chicken, where people wait until the last second to check in, hoping to score empty premium seats. Travel experts say this might occasionally get you an exit row, but business class odds are slim. Airlines sell around 88% of those seats to paying customers. Worse, if the flight is oversold and you're last to check in, you get bumped entirely. I tried this on a flight to Tokyo and ended up in a middle seat next to the lavatory for 14 hours. Not worth it. Check in the moment online check-in opens. Secret number 8. Free stuff airports won't tell you about. Airports are full of freebies nobody advertises. Bring an empty bottle and fill it at a hydration station. $5 water problem solved. Most airports have free Wi-Fi now. Use it to download movies before boarding. Your credit card may offer lounge access even if you're flying economy. Check before you go. And if the gate agent announces overhead bins are limited, you can usually gate check your carry-on for free. I've done this dozens of times to skip the baggage fee while also avoiding the weighted baggage claim. Both wins at once. Secret number 9. Why the lights dim at takeoff and landing. It's not to set a mood, it's a safety measure. Dimming the cabin lights allows your eyes to pre-adjust to darkness so you can orient yourself quickly if there's an emergency evacuation. That's also why window shades are required to stay open, so the crew can visually assess the situation outside in real time. Every second matters in those first moments. When the lights go down, stow your phone, buckle up, and count the rows to your nearest exit. In smoke or total darkness, you won't see the door, but if you know it's 5 rows back, you can find it. Secret number 11. Hidden features most travelers never notice. Airplanes are packed with things the average traveler never sees. Look under the overhead bins. Some planes have hidden handrails built into the underside for turbulence. Those small black triangles above certain windows mark the ideal spot to inspect the wing. Sit near one for the best view of the flaps during takeoff and landing. Most aisle seats have a hidden button under the armrest near the hinge that allows it to flip completely up, originally designed for passengers with reduced mobility. And that locked door on long-haul flights, it leads to crew sleeping quarters. Aviation regulations require them to keep your pilots and flight attendants rested on extended routes. When your crew disappear, they're not slacking, they're recharging so they can handle anything at 35,000 feet. Secret number 11. Kindness still pays. Gate agents and flight attendants hold surprising power when things go sideways. They can waive bag fees, move you to a better seat, or rebook you on a different flight entirely. But they're human, and they remember how you treated them. On a packed flight from Dallas, I watched a man calmly explain he was 6'6" and offer some frequent flyer points for more legroom. The agent moved him to an exit row at no charge. The man next to him, who'd been throwing his boarding pass on the counter, stayed wedged in the middle seat the entire flight. Approach with a genuine smile and a simple, "How's your day going?" and you would be amazed at what can happen next. Those are airport secrets frequent travelers use to make every experience smoother, cheaper, and less stressful. Drop your best airport hack in the comments. I'll read every single one. And if this helped, the next video is already queued up for you.